I'm going to show you how easy it is to print an envelope out from Microsoft Word. If you just want to print an envelope without the letter, you can just start with a blank document, then go up to Mailings and then choose Envelopes, and then just fill in your delivery address and your return address, and then just click on Print. I'll cancel out, and now I'll show you what this looks like with an actual letter. So I'll go back to Envelopes, and notice that it's filled in the delivery address. I'll paste the return address in, and that's optional. So if you don't want it, just click Omit. And if you'd like to change the size of the envelope, just click on Options, and then choose whatever size envelope you'd like. I'll choose Cancel, and when you want to print, if you just want to print the envelope, click Print, or if you'd like to add it to the document, click Add to Document. And then if you'd like to save the return address as your default, choose Yes. I'll choose No. It will print the envelope first and then the letter.